Did you know that you can export any preset you design in Krotos Studio Pro just with a single click and then share it with all your friends and colleagues? I've created this preset in Krotos Studio Pro using my own assets. I can really easily share this with other colleagues working on the project by clicking Preset Export, giving it a name, and hitting Export. This is going to take all the samples, all the data, everything I need in one handy little place, and I can pick this up and share it with my colleagues really easily, just with one file. Off we go.
Okay, so you've just seen how preset export works, and importing them is just as simple. I've just received that preset from Matt and I'll show you how it works. So to import the preset, all I need to do is click on the menu button and navigate to load user preset or bundle. I then navigate to where I've stored that file and double click, and just like that, it's imported into Krotos Studio Pro, ready to use in your project.
If you want to try this for yourself, grab a Krotos Studio trial at krotos.studio.